Kickstart your day with a rejuvenated smile courtesy of our 5-minute DIY lip scrub. Start by gathering your simple ingredients. All you need is sugar, honey, and some olive oil. These natural products are sure to make your lips soft and smooth. Introduce the sugar, your natural exfoliant. Gently rub the sugar against your lips in a circular motion. This helps to remove any dead skin cells. Next, incorporate honey. Its natural moisturizing properties give your lips a burst of hydration. It also offers a pleasing sweet taste. Now, mix in the olive oil. It will lock in the moisture and prevent your lips from drying out. It's a perfect sealant for this DIY lip scrub. After you've mixed all the ingredients, apply the scrub to your lips. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse off to reveal your softer and smoother lips. Finally, enjoy your new lip care routine. With just 5 minutes a day, you can maintain soft, exfoliated, and hydrated lips all year round.